Hi guys, welcome to Arm Candy. I hope you're all okay. We have a really special piece of Louis Vuitton for you all today. Look at this. This is a Louis Vuitton Onatah GM in this gorgeous sort of whitey creamy colour, and just the embossed monogram. It's gorgeous. It's so special. This is just really beautiful. I've never actually seen one of these before, and it's just stunning. So I'll show you what it comes with first. So you've got the dust bag here, the Louis Vuitton dust bag, and then you also have the care card for the leather authenticity card, and then you've also got the product tag as well. So I'll show you the features of it. Actually, I'll come back and show you the sizing of it. So it is a shoulder. So here it is on me. I'm about 5'4" in UK size 8 for reference, and oh, it's just gorgeous. It sits so nicely, and it's so light. I like a light bag, so it's so light without having anything in it. And once you've got all your stuff in, I'm sure it'll still be pretty light too, because it's just a really nice, airy, light bag. So I'll show you the features. So you've got this adjustable handle here, and then you've got the little D-ring there, and then you've got a zip top fasten. So I'll zip that open for you. And then inside, you've got the most gorgeous floral lining. Let me zip that open properly for you. You've got this beautiful floral lining. Isn't that just amazing? And then you've got a flat pocket here, and then in the flat pocket is the date code. So there you go. I don't know if you can you see it there? It's MB1057. But all the details about that will be on the website. But it's just absolutely beautiful. Condition wise, the exterior, let me have a look. The exterior is in very good condition. It's beautiful. It really is absolutely beautiful. There may be a couple of signs of wear, maybe the odd mark or maybe the odd little sign of wear on the stitching, but look, it's gorgeous. There may be a little bit of marking on the stitching just there, maybe a bit of discoloration, but in general it looks excellent. But I've called it very good because there might be the odd little thing. Interior is in excellent condition. It's beautiful. Any excuse to get this lining out again, I will get it out. It's so gorgeous. So there's nothing to show you in here. It's absolutely perfect. This has been a very well looked after bag. And then you've got the little Louis badge there as well. So interior is excellent. And then the hardware I've also called very good. It's that kind of hardware where it's not perfect anyway. It's naturally brushed, but it just looks beautiful. There's no big scratches or marks. There might be the odd little bit, but it really just is not noticeable at all if there is any scratching to it. So that's why I've called that very good and not excellent, because there is a little bit of scratching on it, but it still just looks absolutely fabulous. So exterior very good, interior excellent, and hardware very good. It's just beautiful. It's a really beautiful bag. It's so unusual, but in the best way. I just think it's beautiful. So if you like this Louis Vuitton, have a look at it on our website. We'll put the link in the description below. Before you go, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell so you get alerts when we post new videos. But when you do go over and see this, we'll put the link in the description. That link will take you straight to our website. Whilst you're there, make sure to subscribe to the newsletter. So a pop-up should come up, or go to the bottom of any page, put your email address in, and we will send you a discount code for 5% off your first purchase. So it's definitely worth signing up for the newsletter because it can really save some money. But yeah, hope you all have a lovely week, and we'll see you soon with some more Arm Candy.